Do you have loose and hollow tile floors? Introducing Fix-A-Floor, the revolutionary new way to fix your floor without removing or replacing. With Fix-A-Floor, you just drill and fill. Fix-A-Floor is an extra strength adhesive that rebonds loose and hollow tile, marble, stone, and wood floors. It's fast, easy, and affordable, only $14.95. How does it work? Simply drill 4 to 6 holes through the grout line within the problem areas. Using a caulk gun, fill with Fix-A-Floor repair adhesive. Allow to dry, fill in holes with matching grout, and your floor is fixed guaranteed. Works on all tile, marble, stone, and wood floors, and 100% guaranteed for the life of your floor. So don't spend thousands on a new floor. Fix your floor today with Fix-A-Floor. Order Fix-A-Floor today by visiting us at fixafloorworldwide.com or by calling 1-800-774-5982.